Hi, this is Masroor Ahmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel Masroor Education Insight. Today we will discuss English question. These all questions repeated in previous tests and will be helpful for your future tests. Which of the following is an example of split infinitive? The right answer is to quickly run. In the sentence, she sang beautifully. Which is the part of speech of beautifully? The right answer is adverb. Which of the following sentences contain a dangling participle? The right answer is walking down the street, the trees looked beautiful. What is subjective mood used to express? The right answer is a wish, suggestion, or hypothetically situation. Which of the following sentences contain a misplaced modifier? The right answer is I only eat organic food. In the sentence, the book belonged to him. What is the part of speech of belong? The right answer is verb. Which of the following is an example of gerund phrase? The right answer is running for the bus. What is the incident in the sentence? Mary went to the store because she needed groceries. The right answer is Mary. Which of the following is a correlative conjunction pair? The right answer is either or. What is the function of a coordinating conjunction? The right answer is to join independent clauses. Which of the following is a relative pronoun? The right answer is that. Which of the following sentences in the passive voice? The right answer is the cat was chased by the dog. In the sentence, she is taller than I. What is case is I? The right answer is nominative. Which of the following is an example of compound complex sentences? The right answer is she likes bananas but she hates apple because they are sour. What is the function of an oppositive phrase? The right answer is to provide additional information about a noun. Which of the following is a restrictive relative clause? The right answer is the book that is on the table is mine. Which of the following sentences contain an example of ellipsis? The right answer is I like pizza but she doesn't. Which of the following sentences contain a double negative? The right answer is I don't have no money. What is the function of an infinitive phrase? The right answer is to modify a verb. Which of the following sentences contain an example of conditional clause? The right answer is if it rains, we will stay inside. Which of the following sentences contain an example of absolute phrase? The right answer is the sun shining brightly, we went for a walk. Which of the following sentences contain an example of parallel structure? The right answer is she likes swimming, running, and hiking. In the sentence, the dog barked loudly with what is the part of speech of loudly? The right answer is adverb. Which of the following sentences contain an example of participle phrases? The right answer is the girl wearing a red dress is smiled. Antonym of artificial is the right answer is natural. Thanks for watching.